In this video I'm going to show you how to put up a wardrobe rail in a cupboard like this. This is our old airing cupboard effectively, and to make best possible use of the space I'm going to put a rail up there so we can hang our clothes up in there. This is a cheap and simple job that anyone with some basic DIY skills should be able to complete. The total cost for the two items required to complete this job was £7.48. That's for this oval bar, which we've gone for because it's supposed to be a little bit stronger, and also these oval sockets for the end. I also think the oval sockets look a bit nicer than the round ones. First thing to do is check where you're going to need the rail. And that's going to be around about by there. So you've got a bit of room at the top to hook it over so it's not right up against the ceiling, otherwise you'll never get your hangers on there. And we've got enough room at the back for everything to hang correctly. I'll mark a spot on the wall there. We've marked up where the bracket is going to go on this side and put the bracket there and just drew round it. We've then taken the measurement from there to there and from there to there, obviously not to there, and transferred that onto this side. So we got the same measurement from there to there and then there to there. And that'll give us a rough idea of where it's going to go on this side. So we can now measure the distance between that side and that side, so we know exactly how long to cut the bar. From here over to here. Don't forget to include the size of the tape measure. This one indicates you need to add 7 centimeters to your measurement. We also need to take account of the fact that the brackets are about 3mm each, so we need to take 3mm off each side, so 6mm in total for the brackets. And the reason I'm taking the measurement like I am is because this is an old house and I don't trust that these walls are all square, so I take the measurement from exactly where it's going rather than from the back wall or from the ceiling. I've been caught out like that too many times in this house, to be honest. Now I'm going to use an angle grinder and a stand to cut this. You don't have to, obviously. You can cut it quite easily even with a little hacksaw like that or a bigger hacksaw like that. My blaze blunt on that hacksaw, and I just want to give this angle grinder stand a go. I haven't used it much. I'm going to steady that with that hand. Let's quickly try that in position now. Just enough room each side now for that bracket. So we've marked that up now. We just need to drill the holes. As you can see, I've only marked up 2 of the holes. If we marked up that third one as well, it's going to run into problems because you're going to end up with the one hole merging into the other hole. It's going to be a nightmare. Pop a wall plug in there now. Just using the yellow wall plugs, the small ones I've got. Just screw that in there now. I've only got 1 screw in at the moment. What I'm going to do is do the other side, line it all up, then we'll put the second screw in then, just to confirm it's right in the right place. Okay, what we're going to do now is put the bracket on the end of there, slot that one in, get my big head out of the way, and then move that into position roughly where you've marked up. Now, doesn't matter how well you've marked it up, it's not going to be exactly level. So I've got a spirit level. This one's got a magnet on, which is handy. Mark the wall where the screw's going to go. Okay, so we've got it all marked up. Just going to drill the hole. Yellow wall plug now. Pop them in. Screw that in there. So both those brackets are on now with just the 1 screw. So just to check they're in position. That's in there quite tight, which is good because then it won't push out so easily. We'll just check it with the spirit level, and that's pretty straight. So what we're going to do now is take the rail back out, mark up 1 more hole each side. So I'm going to use the middle hole on each one. I'm going to undo this a little bit. Not all the way, just get it out of the way. Same with this one. Undo it a little bit, do it back up, just so it's out the way. And we'll drill the other hole. Put the wall plug in there, put the wall plug in there. Screw that in position now. Just slide that in there. That one's in there nice and tight. Just going to screw that in there like that. Slide the cellophane off. like so. I was going to put a bit of tape on each end just to stop it sliding out, but to be honest with you, it's quite a tight fit as it is. Let's just try. Right, get my clothing on there. There we are. There's enough room at the top to slide that over. And there's the finished article. We've got plenty of storage space at the bottom now still. And that's why we did it so high and as close to the ceiling as we did. But we've still got plenty of space to be able to get the coat hangers in and out. I did end up putting a little bit of tape just on the end in there, just so it didn't slide out as easy. But this isn't going anywhere, not with all this weight on it. There we go. Job's a good one. If you've liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments or questions, please leave them in the box below. I will try and get back to you. And don't forget to subscribe.